but I also love customizing Gunpla. Taking a kid and making it my own is a great feeling.
I see you out there, Rodimus 13, doing all your showboating, showing off all your customized Gunpla, telling us how good you are at customizing Gunpla. Well, that's why me, Gunpla Man Joey Ganota, challenges you 1 month from today to a Hell in a DG Cell Death Army Cage Macho-Rama 2021. Be there or be square.
Finally, the Rodimus 13 has come back to YouTube. The Rodimus 13 has heard your challenge, and he is surprised that you would descend from upon your backlog throne and speak with us meager peasants. The Rodimus 13 is surprised that you can even see us from atop those boxes of unbuilt Gunpla. But very well, the Rodimus 13 not only accepts your so-called Hell in a DG Cell Death Army cage match, but he accepts that he will dominate. The Rodimus 13 will destroy you. Watch as the DG Cells bring you back and then destroy you again. You may have miles upon miles of unconstructed plastic, but I have a box of parts with Spider-Man stickers on it and the heart of a champion. Now, I will bring you into this beatdown in a civilized manner. We will have rules. We will use the Death Army as the base, and it must be recognizable as this. No turning it inside out and upside down. Our builds must be completed in 1 month. And finally, we are limited to just the supplies we have on hand. Parts, paints, everything. No going out and getting the latest parts just for this build. But let me tell you something, Gunpla Man Joey Ganota. The Rodimus 13 is not scared. The Rodimus 13 is not deterred. And the Rodimus 13 has already finished his base build. So, I ask you, Gunpla Man Joey Ganota, can you smell what the Rodimus 13 is building?